have a little Hohner student accordion. It has 25 keys in the treble with 12 bass buttons. There are 2 reeds in the treble, low and middle, with 3 switches on the treble side. This is your low reed. This is your master switch. And your clarinet. On the bass, we have 12 bass. It has a deep, very deep bass, almost like a helicon. This is a nice little beginner accordion. It's a cream and gold motif. Just a very, very lightweight, cute little learner accordion. I'll play you something so you can hear what it sounds like.